Today we're making an Indian dish.
Hi everyone and welcome back to PMB Australia. In today's cooking video, we're going to be making something special. We're going to be making a chicken curry, an authentic Indian dish which you can make at home. It's kind of a curry. We've done curries before. Butter chicken, like green chicken, and like all kinds of curries and samosas and all of them. Please subscribe because we're trying to make 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Today we'll be having our guest chef Shiris Bidantur, and welcome back. For today's dish, we will require a lot of ingredients, so please stay tuned. For the duration of the video, we have simplified it to make sure that you don't have to watch very long. Please subscribe again, like this video, and we'll be back with more videos like this. For this clip, we're going to be using a lot of ingredients. I mentioned before, here are the ingredients.
So for the marination we need chicken, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, salt and a bit of oil. For the curry we need onion, tomatoes, potatoes. For the spices we will be starting with bay leaves, Kashmiri lal mirch, cumin seed, cloves whole, garam masala, turmeric powder and cinnamon. At the end, to enhance the flavor, we'll be adding kasuri methi.
Alright, start by washing your hands thoroughly. Now, you want to grab a bowl and your chicken. I'll put it into a bowl, cut it up, and yeah, you got all your chicken up. Next, we are going to put some salt all around, and you make sure you're generous with the servings. It's up to you, salt per taste, as always. That's what it should look like. And grab your lemon juice, sprinkle it all around thoroughly. Grab your turmeric, 1 tablespoon, grab ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon each. It should look like right now. Grab your oil and put a generous amount, mush it up all together. Now put that to the side and grab onions. Make sure to peel them thoroughly. It should be cut up into like a julienne style form. That's what the chef recommends. That's your onions peeled, cut them up, put them all into a bowl and put them to the side. Now you're going to be grabbing potatoes and cutting them into halves. These halves should be peeled, and grab a bowl, and we're going to be putting it all around, and put some bay leaves and about five cumin seeds. Now ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each. Stir it all up. Now grab your onions and put it into simmer until golden brown. This may take up to 5 to 10 minutes, but on high flame it will probably take a bit shorter. Then you're going to grab tomatoes, also cut them up into small pieces. Stir it up. Okay, this is what it should look like now. At this point, almost all golden brown. Now grab some cumin again and garam masala, turmeric, a little bit more. Okay, now cinnamon again, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Stir it all up. Put the tomatoes. Okay, that's what it should look like now. Everything should be soft and nice. Now put your potatoes in. Be careful, it may simmer. Now stir that all up. Okay, we're gonna put some more salt. Okay, keep stirring. Now we're gonna grab our chicken, put them one by one. This is what it should look like with the chicken. Okay, and stir everything up. All good. Okay, keep stirring. This may take up to 15 minutes. You can see that chicken is cooking. Now cover it up for about 2 minutes and then open it up again. You should see that looks good. Now you're gonna next up you're gonna add some kasuri methi and some water, about half a cup of water to 1 cup. So you may crush in your hand about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to cover the pot again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Open it up, and this is what it should look like. That looks steamingly good. And here's our chef with the enjoy.
Thank you everyone. So please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.